Hey, what's up, everyone? I want to try and eliminate some confusion that's going on. I know some of you are starting to work, which is awesome. Some of you are starting to turn stuff in, but you're really not following the instructions that we sent out, which is totally fine. I know this is totally new for everyone. So hopefully this will help alleviate some of the confusion. So I want to make sure you guys see here. Mrs. Nelson and I have been talking about making it as easy as possible for you guys to actually get credits for the work you're doing. So if you look at this document, and this document is going to get shared, but essentially you're going to be able to get 2 credits for doing one paper. So you can do the history EQ. You're going to turn that into me, and then you're also, Mrs. Nelson will grade that as well. So both of us will be grading basically one paper that you're going to be turning in. With that said, what I want to make sure that you guys do when you are turning this in, let's blow this up a little bit, is that when you're writing your paper, this is essentially no different than what you guys are doing for your notes anyways, except for you're adding an introductory paragraph, a conclusion, a works cited page, in-text citations, and I want you to include your notes at the very bottom. So the format of the essay is, like I mentioned, if you look at the introductory paragraph, this is bolded in yellow right now. This should just include your thesis statement. It probably is going to include your essential question somewhere in there, right, as a statement. Then, generally speaking, there's 4 lessons for every module or chapter. However many lessons there are within your module, that's how many paragraphs it has to be. Generally speaking, right now, it's about 4. So if your module or chapter has 4 lessons in it, you can see here the fuchsia magenta color here has 4 different body paragraphs, and each one of those is going to be helping you answer the question just like you guys do for your notes. Then when you get done with that, then you're going to write a conclusion, basically summing up and answering your question. Now, Mrs. Nelson, this document is also going to have some examples on how to make sure you guys are doing the MLA format in-text citations. And everybody knows what a works cited page is, but here it is again. And then lastly, you can see here, include your notes at the end of your works cited page. So you're going to do your notes. That's going to help you write your essay. Most of you have done a really good job when we're taking the test doing this. So let's just keep this pattern going. So essentially what you guys are going to be turning in is your paper. Make sure you have a paragraph for each of your lessons, right? Make sure it has in-text citations, works cited page. It's an MLA format. And then you're going to turn in your notes with that. So it'll all be on one document. So I can look at that. Once I grade it for the history content, Mrs. Nelson will grade it for the English content. And you guys will be able to get 2 credits basically for one piece of work. All right. So hopefully that helps clarify any questions and you guys get after it. Thanks a lot. And